Hello everyone, welcome back. If your iPhone or iPad says this Apple ID is not active, verification failed, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we have to tap on Apple ID, scroll fine and tap on sign out. Put Apple ID password, follow the instructions and sign out Apple ID. After sign out, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After the force restart, hopefully you will get rid of this issue by login again with your Apple ID and password. If not, then we are going to move some other solutions. We have to launch settings and tap on Apple ID. Here we have to tap on password and security. Here we have to tap on change password, put iPhone passcode and change your Apple ID password. The next thing that we have to do, the next solution is settings, journal and transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Before this, you have to save your Wi-Fi password. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. Finally, what we have to do, we have to go to the official Apple website and sign in there and change password in the website. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.